Seems like this week is the one we got to worry about every year.
This is statistically the coldest week of the winter here in Austin, Texas. So I guess it's appropriate that it will be the coldest week of the winter so far. Let's hope it remains that way. We're overcast out there with light fog, 38 degrees right now. This has been the coldest day of the winter in terms of our high temperature. We only made 40 today, headed down to about 35 degrees as skies remain cloudy through 10 o'clock tonight. Current temperatures around the area, 36 up in Georgetown. It's 39 over in Giddings. You haven't been out of the mid to upper 30s in Burnett, 35 right now, 42 in Fredericksburg. But just across the county line over into Kimball County around the Junction area, temperatures actually warmed to the 60s today. Saw a little sunshine break out in the western hill country, but those low clouds are going to fill right back in tonight. Light fog in the city and 38 degrees out at the airport, light fog and 40. Winds are variable at 3. At least there's not much of a wind chill yet. Winds at the airport a little stronger, northeast at 14 miles per hour. There will be a wind chill factor down around 20 degrees by the time you leave for work or school tomorrow morning if that front, with that front moving in. Mold count was actually high today at 3709 and Cedar medium, but with these weather conditions, the mold should drop tomorrow and that cedar could all but disappear. Around the state, Dallas at 32. Look at Amarillo there at 18, 34 in Abilene. You can see the next push of cold air coming our way. Wind chill factor right now in Amarillo is 1 degree above zero. Feeling like 23 in Dallas. That front headed on down through the south plains of Texas right now. Not much precipitation associated with this front. It should be mainly a dry passage. We're lucky. Here's the main upper-level storm system. The storm that moved through here and brought us the weekend rain. Fizzling out a little bit now in the southeast, but it is going to join forces with this storm to create what could be a huge storm over the northeast and New England again. Now, this storm has created a massive area of ice from Arkansas all the way to Georgia. In fact, we're continuing to see snow in that part of the country, too. 8 to 11 inches on the ground right now from parts of Arkansas all the way down into sections of Alabama. Again, dangerous icing down there. Major nor'easters, I mentioned, could develop from New York to Massachusetts, including maybe a foot of snow in New York City and up into Boston. This will be their second one since Christmas by Tuesday and Wednesday as this thing turns into a big storm system up there. Now, we're going to see a little disturbance move across on Wednesday. That could actually kind of be good. It could bring us some clouds that keep it from getting as cold as it might otherwise be. And we think there could actually be a few snow flurries fall late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning with this little disturbance moving across. Then behind it, we'll get warmer, but have a chance of a little rain setting in by Friday night. So that front will blow on through here overnight, and then we'll see the clouds begin to thicken up Wednesday after they clear a little bit tomorrow. Here are your lows tonight. We should fall into the 20s in most locations, maybe low 30s elsewhere, only because the clouds are going to be colder. And then tomorrow, it shouldn't be any warmer than this if it even gets that warm. 29 is what I'm thinking in Austin tonight with cloudy skies, and then we'll see the winds kick up out of the north tomorrow. Clouds should break. With a little sun, we could get to 42. If we don't get that sun, we won't get that warm, if you want to call that warm. And this cold air is going to settle in for 3 days. We may not get above the mid-40s until Friday when some warmer air comes in and we return to normal, temperature-wise anyway, this weekend.